Yeah, birds.
Flying. It's baby.
They fly in circle. See?
That's how they fly. They flap their wings.
Yeah, it's like fish. That's how they swim.
This one's standing there. Babies. It's swim up there.
Yeah, they're looking for food. Look at that.
No, I saw something they dropped.
Which one?
They pooped.
Ah, big poop. Dragon kayo siya. Hello.
See that? It's rolling. What?
Early birds catches worms.
They're landing. It's flying. And we're seeing some worms. Some worms. Worms.
Hi. Ay, don't scare the birds. I said don't.
There's some more.
So you're gonna be friendly with the birds because you're walking here every morning. And then they will go. You can go closer to them. Yeah, it's very early. Yeah, early and the dogs are barking. Come here, there's dog, oh. The big dog. Oh, hi dogs. We're just passing, dogs. Don't bite us. Hi. Come here.
Why they're making that sound?
Like you're talking. That's how you talk. That's how they talk. Hi.
Hey, that's a little bit big. Your name is Birdie?
Oh, there's car.
Oh,
Stay on the side, kuya. Come here.